Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to import your Craftybase data into Inventora. So let's say that I want to import my materials that I have in Craftybase into Inventora. So in Craftybase, I'm going to select my materials and I will click on export. Then it would tell you that your export file is going to be available for download in your notification area. So you click on the bell where your notifications are at. You'll see that you're going to be able to download your material CSV. So click on download export. Then you're going to click on your downloads and you're going to see that it is ready to go. After that, you can go to Inventora, and as you know, I download my CSV of materials from Craftybase. So I'm going to stay on my materials page and I'm going to click on the 3 points on the right side and I'm going to select import CSV. There you can choose a CSV to upload. You choose the one that you just download. And the step 2 is to select columns. Here you're going to match the CSV columns with the Inventora columns. Once you finish that, click upload and you will see that we successfully imported your materials data.